What's up, everybody? Me and my man's Eric just trekked all the way across the Atlantic. Just made it back to Boston via kayak. How you feeling, Eric? It was a long journey, eh?
Yeah, had to be done.
Had to be done. Just handling business, you know what we do. But now we're out here, living the life. Just kidding, we're still in Sweden. Oh. It's cold, bro. It's certainly cold. Woo. Do you know what this lake is called?
Yeah,
Lake Mallorin. Folks, we're in Lake Mallorin. Eric's too scared to come in the water. But it is chilly. It's colder than where your grandpa was swimming. Yeah, it's chilly. So we're about an hour and a half west of Stockholm. This is where Eric's family has a beautiful summer cottage. They were kind enough to let me stay here for a little while. And this is a much different trip than my Amsterdam trip. I was not taking care of my body, not exercising, but now I'm out here. Just did about an hour and a half of kayaking, getting my ice bath in for the day. I'm just enjoying. I'm trying to recover, man. Got to recover the brain, the liver, all that, but all in a good time. Whew. Okay, so last time I just tried to climb through these. No, I'm vlogging. Last time I was trying to traverse my way through these extremely slippery rocks. But this time I'm gonna take the forest. The duality of man, am I right? Oh, so squishy. I wonder how this moss is probably hundreds of years old. And I'm just stepping on it. I feel bad. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm not trying to have one of them slip and falls in my career, my outdoorsman career. Too young for that. The ripe age of 23, I'm not ready. Not ready to retire. Oh yeah, this is much easier. Much easier. That looks like poison ivy. Oh, he went this way, huh? Oh, almost took a tumble there, sir. No one's safe. Take the force, take the rocks, either way. You always run the risk. Run the risk of danger. Danger. Hey, shout out Zach. Shout out Zach from Australia. One of my best mates in Amsterdam. Hope you have a great time with your girlfriend. And the rest of your trip in Amsterdam and Italia. Oh, that one hurt. Alright. We'll go this way. Thank you, Mr. Tree. We made it. Nice.
A few moments later.
This is attempt number 2, getting into a kayak.